Alright. Tropical sunshine. Tropical sunshine. Alright, we're going live now on the Instagram. Oh, what a day, what a day, what a day. Hey, hey. Can't go live at all. Hey, hey. Let's see what Wi-Fi I work with.
Mom.
Alright, we're checking connection. We are now live.
What is that, Mom?
What happened, babes?
Okay. That circle thing.
It's called a ring light. It's supposed to make you look better, brighter, browner, bigger.
Alright, hi guys.
If you're wondering, Tracy is not hungover.
Unfortunately not.
She's feeling a little under the weather. Oh, let's
I went and got my vaccine yesterday.
You went to So Tracy went yesterday and got her vaccine at the health center here in Trelawney. We are here on vacation, on family vacation. So hi everybody and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the closet and bring you over in Trelawney into the primary bedroom for some fun, frolic and foolishness.
Oh, I'm having chills.
You're gonna be okay. Pass a blanket. My assistant Levi here just got in trouble. So first of all, we would like to say thank you so much to our 10 mil. Sorry. Speak it into being. We'd like to thank our 10,000 subscribers over on the YouTube. Guys, thank you so much. We really, really appreciate you. You know, I really enjoy making content for you guys. I'm sure Tracy enjoys it too. And you know, we really just wanted to say thank you, and you know, just thank you so much for coming along on the journey. Yes.
Kiki, I just don't really have to rub it in by saying, Jodi, you look amazing. Like, I know I look like crap, okay?
So, you know, I'm injecting myself today with some Lady B Mixology all the way here in Trelawney. I am drinking a spicy green apple plum margarita. What am I drinking? Margarita mojito. This is not a mojito. It's a margarita. It's spicy. I like the you just settle yourself.
Okay, I'm gonna get a sip.
I mean, what's it gonna hurt now? Oh, I love it. It's like a scotch bonnet at the back of your throat. This is nice.
Oh my gosh, why did I do that? I just feel like, oh.
You'll survive. You'll survive. It's just 24 hours of roughness. But I think it's important that you let people... Mojito. Mojito. Mojito is where you muddle it.
Do you want a blanket or something?
Yeah, so
Yes,
spicy
please.
green apple
Yes,
plum mojito.
I can't reach it though.
Let me help myself. Let me help myself.
So I think it's important, like today, to show that, you know, some people, they're fine with the vaccine and other people don't do so well. What do you guys think? Do you think that if you react bad to the vaccine, that means you would have acted worse if you got the virus? Because I think she would have died.
No man, yesterday I had the chills so bad too. But I took the vaccine yesterday afternoon and then today I'm just not feeling so hot. I had the chills all night last night. Like I was like this.
Mommy.
And today I just don't feel good.
Mommy.
But we want to thank you, especially 10,000 subscribers over on YouTube. And ladies and gentlemen, if you are not subscribed over on our YouTube channel, please head on over and make sure you subscribe, check out a couple videos. It just helps us to know that, you know, you love us and you care for us, and then you want us to make that moolah. I don't know how else you celebrate. Here's some money. Celebrate good time. Here, Levi, take some money.
Come on.
There's a party going on right here. Here, what's money? A celebration to last throughout the year. So bring your good.
Did you know you can just use a money gun?
Oh. Do you know that your mama's once been to the strip club?
What's going on right here? A celebration. So bring a good time.
Light bill, water bill, air conditioning bill, phone bill. You got money. What other money? What other money you want? Buy your outfit. Buy your shoes.
Come here, Levi. Come and
Here, you get the last of my money, as usual.
So anyways, guys. Money fight.
Okay.
So anyways, talking today, I was watching the one of the last episodes of The Bachelor last night, right? And I can't believe that guy cried. Like, why is he even there, right? Like, I think Blake's
Okay. I'm gonna be blind.
So anyway, so what did you guys do for the weekend? I want to big up our runners, our Jamaican runners who came in 1, 2, 3. Yeah.
Give them some money.
Shelly, Sharika, and Elaine.
Mm-hmm.
Drew, did you see the race with Elaine today? How she came in like first, but by far it was
Like
such
about 0.4 seconds. She
Yeah.
had quite a gap in between her and the other runners. But we just want to big up all of our Jamaican athletes. You've done us so proud. You know, we just want to thank you for your dedication, your hard work, all of those hours of training. And some of this money is for you. For the Olympian. No, this already second one. Give them Olympian some money.
How much would you like? 1, 2.
No, man. You aren't young ones. You have to, come on. It's a broke vibe, that's enough.
Okay.
Yeah! Jamaica to the world. Thank you so much to our Olympians, you know, and you just made our Emancipation Day just so much more.
Can I talk now?
Sure, go ahead.
My name is Blaze, and the makeup channel of me and my mom my dad was so angry.
Yeah, because
But we were.
Listening? I'm listening to you.
Mhm,
What's going on?
Look at that gross thing in there.
it's basil.
Basil doodoo.
No.
There's
What's it?
doo-doo.
No, spicy
Tell
green.
us about what you did yesterday. Rem.
Apple.
What did you do yesterday? Did you and Rem go swimming?
Rem actually jumped into the pool. The head scratch. She was down deep. She was going to say she breathed down breath.
Yeah.
What? Was that in?
Oh.
Wait. I need some money.
Yeah. So anyway, I'm glad I took the shot though. I mean, and then it said I saw somebody asking about it. I'm breastfeeding, but you know it's
Christopher Tufton answered that question the best. You need to speak to your OBGYN, you need to speak to your doctor to see what is best for you if you are breastfeeding or if you have any concerns. Tracy can't tell you nothing, me can't tell you nothing, Levi can't tell you nothing. So check with the doctor.
Back up.
yeah.
Let's get this help.
Anyway,
You're gonna have to learn, Levi.
but yeah, I've been breastfeeding still. Titty months still a go on. It's just I feel
Okay,
really happy.
I see.
Put them together.
And happy birthday to 13 forever.
No, it don't have to do
You have to
it.
learn, Levi.
So Mr. 33 odd. I feel so tired. I feel so tired.
Watch your head.
This was the area of the injection.
When I got my shot, Sean kept hitting my hand by accident. He's like, yo! And I'm like, bro, that's a hand. That's a hand. Be careful.
This is a sexy swimsuit that you have on, Joe.
Thank you. It was $12. I waited a very long time on it. It was supposed to come last week summer. And it came this summer. Very, very long
It's very
time.
sexy. Your boobs look so good in it.
Are they in?
Yeah, they're in.
You guys will tell me if something jump out?
It's your birthday too, Malibu Jen.
Ooh.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Lots of birthdays going on this weekend. Jodi, where is this dress from? Not sure if you already said it.
That's tomorrow's Uncle Timmy's birthday.
Tomorrow's Uncle Timmy's birthday.
Woo!
The dress is from, you know, one of those like Chinese
And we
things?
have
Sorry. Versace.
Dude.
I don't know, probably Shein or Sheinin or Shananin.
Oh,
One of those like Chinese sites. It took a long time.
look at our 10K. I'm so proud of it.
Yes. Celebrate. Alright, Levi, pick up all the money off the ground and I'll let you keep one.
Birthday.
Yeah. You think we can?
Yeah.
Let's go
Yeah.
spend it. Food bill. No, we need more for food. We need more for like liquor bill. It's a celebration. Oh, when we're done, can I lay out all the money? Alright guys, if you see me post on Instagram like me on the bed count, no, the bathtub. Alright, here's the thing. I understand there may be a few people over here that don't like me, and I appreciate you being here. Thank you very much. Drop a subscribe. But when I post my picture flossing with my money, chic me. Thank you. When you see me in my bathtub flossing with the money, just don't say anything. Just like and scroll. Please, I think I'm gonna drop a fire bath time picture with the money, you know? Like,
Well, tomorrow this feeling will be gone and I'll be dressing up sexy to this so sexy shit.
alright, so let's both go in the bathtub with money.
Okay.
I want to go in the bathtub with mommy.
Alright, cool, I'll let you.
Okay.
We don't know that the 10K
look
is
at
backward.
this, guys. Guys,
No,
look
we
at
don't know.
this.
We don't go backward.
They can't see you.
So remember, for Instagram, we are using our front camera so we can read the comments. But over on our YouTube, make sure you hit that notification bell, you drop a subscribe, and you like the video, because over on YouTube, it is the correct way. Yeah, because YouTube is the way to go. Banana.
Is that money?
I don't like
Yeah.
YouTube.
That's
Okay.
not true. Oh, okay. Delete it off your iPad. Where's your iPad?
No, I like YouTube.
Okay. Are you subscribed to Mommy and Auntie Tricky's channel?
Yes.
I'm so glad you said that. So Levi is endorsing us. All right, Levi, calm down before everything just dropped down.
But today we're gonna I'm gonna cut this my presents short. I have to go lie down.
Sorry,
Are you gonna lie down like 10K?
Yeah.
All right, come Levi, your turn.
Oh, what?
Come and co-host.
Wait, I want to go.
So anyway.
Alrighty.
What did? Oh my goodness.
Alrighty. I'm so scared about the back of me.
You're so scared about the back of you? Yeah, but you move your chair. As a co-host, you're supposed to be right here beside me. If you're not here beside me, they can't see you. See?
Mommy.
Yeah. You don't have to put a leg on me, that's alright.
So now I have to talk about something interesting.
So Nana said, no. What is that on bed? The alligator blankie. She looks sick. What happened to her? El vaccino? Yes. She take a vaccine, so she no die. But she now she died.
I'm Mama Tinata Nati. Anda si anda. Hinata na handa. Ooh.
What?
I just heard somebody on this.
Who you heard? Who you
I
heard?
heard him. Spice is on here.
Don't say that. Don't say that. Don't say that. Where?
I'm Spice.
Stop it now, man.
Okay.
You saw her?
Yes, I did.
You sure?
Yes.
Hi Spice, welcome to the show. I like your flow ad. Yeah. What else?
Wait. Peace.
Whew. All right. So my co-host today is Levi. Levi, what's been happening in school? How do you think you'll do?
Okay, I like building blocks a little bit. It's a little bit fun, but big school is a lot of fun.
Have you been to big school yet?
Yes, and it's so fun. I'm 4 years old right now. I used to be in 1, I used to be in 2, I used to be 3, but now I'm 4.
Okay, that's good, that's good. So, are you looking forward to Big Boy School in September?
Yeah.
Yeah? What are you looking forward to the most?
Okay, my favorite thing is not in my school, but my favorite thing is in Jacob's school. Lego!
Lego? Okay,
Yes,
okay.
I like tiny Lego, but not big Lego. Big
like
Lego.
the jumbo Lego is more for like younger kids.
Big kids.
You mean little jumbo Lego is for like younger kids, like babies?
Yeah, like babies.
Okay.
But I'm a big boy, so I play with little Legos.
Right. Yeah, that's cool. All right.
Jacob doesn't have Lego people, but we can build like Transformers, we can build robots, we can build like
Somebody's asking what is your
we can build like Transformers that has a house. So yeah.
What's your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is
Do you know what a sport is?
basketball.
Okay, cool.
Guys, guess what I got?
You've been wearing that on your hand for a couple of weeks now. What is that?
I wore this for 100 years.
Yeah, wow.
And so my mom wears nothing.
Which were you pointing to? My boobs or my hand?
My hand.
Oh, okay. All right.
Okay, mommy, let's go pick up some money and let's go say celebration, okay? Let's go pick up some money.
All right, let's pick up some money so we can sing. Careful. All right. So we're taking a little break to pick up some money. All right. And you know, you have to floss responsibly. All right.
You know how you like pick up money and you drop it on the floor?
Yeah, but when you drop the money, you have to pick it up. You know.
Yeah.
You know. Cause we fake rich.
accidentally.
Yeah, we fake rich. You gotta pick back up your money. We don't play that game. You know, fake rich. You know. Yeah, I'm playing that game. We're gonna collect your money. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like your money, guys?
Yeah.
Now give me some money.
Give him money, man. What you got?
I got these.
Alright, what we doing now?
Okay, like this.
Give me an original song now.
Okay. Oh, you want to be in our video?
I think 10K deserves a Remy and Uncle Timmy experience as well.
Hey!
Well, you have to sit on the bed for that.
Okay, all right.
He's the producer and the co-host.
Oh, fantastic.
Did she drink her juice?
No, she did not drink her juice. But she had a lovely big lunch and a
Okay, guys, now it's my performance. Let me pick a song.
Okay.
Transformers in the skies. Dun, 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 dun. I actually made up that song, so
Yeah, no, that's the best kind of song. Yeah.
Transformers.
Robots in disguise.
Let's get some robot charging in ya. And then get on it. And all Transformers. We got the ancient monthly pores. Take 4 to make my dad is discovered by home. I'm a robot. What blah 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 blah. Okay, your turn.
Oh, thank you. Okay. Alright guys, so next week Tracy will be feeling a lot better. So we have a special guest for you. We're gonna be talking about our favorite topic ever.
And Stevie is here.
Oh, next week Stevie will be here. She will make a guest appearance, okay? And next week Levi is also here, but he is not going to co-host. Oh. Oh, he will make a special appearance as well. Sorry, we are changing the lineup.
I want to come.
He will co-host next week. What else can we talk about?
Let's talk about Jonah's Transformers.
Okay, all right.
Okay, Jonah's Transformers, he loves them. And by the way, they transform. So, it's a nice, the green. So.
Sing one of Daddy's songs.
Watch the tempo, 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 watch the tempo.
Nice. That was a good one. I like that one. Do you know what Mommy's favorite song is by Daddy?
No.
Girl, it is on at 4 o'clock in the morning. I've been watching you shake that thing.
Wait. What is it called again?
I don't know. You tell me.
Shake that thing. Bada shake that thing. Kana shake that thing. Kana shake that thing. Jodi and Rebecca.
Woman, get busy. Just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop. Just keep. Yo, YouTube is gonna charge me.
Booty.
Hey, whoa.
Booty, 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 boo. Booty, booty. I got it. Mom, what does it call again?
I don't know, but I don't think you should be
It
singing.
keep burning up and turning up the wally walla. It keep burning up and turning up. That's my favorite song.
Yeah?
It keep burning up and turning up the wally walla. It keep burning up and turning up the wally walla. It keep burning up and turning up the wally walla. In the wally, in the wally wally, in the wally.
That's cool. Somebody says you're on key, which is really cool because I'm never on key. That means you're keeping the note.
Oh.
Yeah. So that's really good. Somebody says you sound just like your dad. You gonna make money like Daddy?
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're gonna go in the bathtub now.
No. That's a different outfit. That's a different like setup. Okay? And we'll have to pick up all the money. We're gonna do the bathtub thing tomorrow, okay?
Hey, say that to Martinata, and I did that.
What if Spice said she wants to do a song with you? What song would you record with her?
Spice. Come on, Dante, naman Dante, naman namapi, mamapi nama, and namada, and tamuna.
Yeah! I like that. Okay. What did you think about the Olympics? Did you watch any of the races?
Can you get some of that money? I'm gonna do something with it. No, that money over there, man. In the corner.
They're all the same. Do you know how much money this is?
No.
You want to know?
Yeah.
It's 100 times 100.
I think that is a 10 out of 10.
$10,000. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah? $10,000. But it only cost, I think, $9.99.
$9.99.
Yeah. It's not real money, you know.
Wait, it's not real money?
No, you thought it was real money we had throwing around the place?
Wait. I know it's not real money.
Oh, how you know?
If you're not there, run the
Ow! Yo, you should go down to the bar and see if you can buy a drink with one of these $100.
Oh my! Yes!
All right, okay, whoa.
Yes.
No, don't hit him on me. You see, this is why I always have those random bruises on my legs. Okay, guys, and I think that's about
Ow.
it for this week because
All
Tracy's
the
really...
time AC in my shoe hurts me. And by the way, I'm getting a screw loose.
A what?
A screw loose. You see that?
It's not a
red
school
thing?
moose. It's called a blister.
No.
It's not a school moose.
No. That thing right there, that red part, it
Yeah.
comes up a little bit and it hurts me and stings me.
A school moose.
No. Yes.
A school moose. Okay, so what? I can't even bother.
Okay.
Wow.
Watch this. Watch this.
Okay. You're gonna show them the school? Oh, Levi. Oh, he's so sweet.
Wait. Did you paint your fingernails?
Yeah, I did.
Did you paint it yesterday or?
No, I painted it on Friday. Lisa paints them for me. My friend Lisa, she paints my nails so don't lick. Don't. Remember when we told you about licking? We don't lick things.
Oh, yeah.
What happens when you lick?
Corona.
Exactly. Unless it's food, we don't lick, right?
Wait.
Yeah.
Guys, guess what? I eat mango today and my daddy don't even care about mango.
That's not true. Your daddy pick all the mango. Daddy pick. So what mango is your favorite mango?
My favorite is the juicy one that you have with your hands.
The blacky mango.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just rip off the skin.
Yeah.
Okay, blacky mango. Ooh, really?
Blacky mango in... Wait. Let's sing a song about blacky mango.
Okay.
Blacky mango in the China Sea. In a bunda malanganti. In a fresh malanganti. Yay!
Woo! All right.
Let's get it a non-chicken and the egg.
The chicken and the egg?
Yes.
Yeah, get the chicken and the egg too.
And the daddy, the little babies of the chicken. It's so nice. You used to eat it, daddy. Cock-a-doo-doo-doo. Cock-cock-cock-cock-doo-doo-doo.
All right. What do you want to say to everybody? Let's talk about mommy's juice.
Okay. It has some plants in the front.
Mm-hmm.
Right there.
Right.
It has like little what is it called?
Looks like a bee.
Looks like a bee. And by the way, there's a straw and it's blue and white.
Mm-hmm.
Well, blue is my favorite color.
Right.
I love
What do you think is in it?
doo-doo.
Not everything is doo-doo.
Wait.
So today I'm drinking a Lady B Mixology Spicy Green Apple Plum Mojito.
And you're eating some doo-doo.
Not everything is doo-doo. I see a 10K question mark. We are 10,000 subscribers over on our YouTube channel, Jodi and Tricky. So make sure you head on over and check us out because we are going to be doing an even bigger celebration at
Doo-doo
anytime
Fontana.
you want. No more doo-doo. Pick up the money. Let's do a last celebration before we leave. Alright, we're gonna do a last celebration before we leave. Alright everybody, the vaccine blitz is going on all across the island. Make sure you go in and get your vaccine if you want to. If you don't, I'm not gonna say anything on that. If you want to, there you can check out Christopher Tufton's IG page to get all of the information on where you can go to get your vaccine, which is why Tracy's not really feeling so well today. And who do we have now? Yes! Come here, come. Remy is back. Come, Remy, quick before dude come and get your burger bun.
I like my time, man. I love my tiny, my little sister. I love her so much.
Okay, thanks everybody. Thank you. I see the congratulations on the 10K. We thank you so much for joining us on this journey. And we just wanted to appreciate you guys. Who broke the K? Who broke the K?
I did.
How?
Yay, I broke the K. Oh yeah, I broke the K. Oh yeah, I broke the K. Oh yeah, I broke the K.
You're lucky you're so cute.
You broke the K.
No, I don't. I didn't break the K. You guys can go. Stop. Behave.
Wait,
you guys can go and play with it.
Guys, you remember you have to hop on balloons for somebody's birthday.
Whose birthday is it tomorrow?
Uncle Timmy.
Uncle Timmy. Alright everybody, I want to thank you so much for joining us. This was a real hour of fun frolic and beer foolishness. Remy, you want to go get that? Careful, mind fan.
Yeah.
Alright everyone, make sure you head over to our YouTube channel where you can watch this episode and all other episodes of Tuesdays with Tricky in HD over on our YouTube channel, Tuesdays with Tricky. The link is in my bio. We'd like to thank you guys so much for joining us today, and we will see you next week Tuesday where we will have a special episode for you with a special guest, and my co-host Levi will again make an appearance. And everybody have a wonderful week. And that's it. Come and say bye, co-host. Ready? Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
And
Thank
I
you so
soon get
much.
5.
Lady B, you soon get 5.
When
No,
I
you
get 5,
won't.
Remy's gonna be 2.
Yeah, Remy will be 2 in 2 weeks.
And when I get 8, when I get 6.
Bye, everybody. Thank you so
Remy will
much,
be
and we will see you next
3.
week.